Welcome to EHackerArmy, your headquarters for mastering the art of cybersecurity. Whether you're just starting out or looking to sharpen your skills, this is the place for you. In today's world, cyber threats are constantly evolving, becoming more sophisticated and harder to detect. That's why it's our mission to help you stay one step ahead of these threats, ensuring your digital safety. Here at EHackerArmy, we break down complex cybersecurity concepts into easy-to-understand lessons, tools, and resources. Our step-by-step techniques and hands-on training sessions are designed so that anyone, regardless of their background, can follow and implement them effectively. We are committed to empowering you with the knowledge and skills needed to protect yourself in the digital age. From learning the basics of encryption and ethical hacking, we provide a comprehensive foundation that will help you understand the core principles of cybersecurity. To discovering the latest tools in the cybersecurity world, we've got you covered. Our courses are designed to keep you up to date with the most recent advancements and techniques. Each week, we'll dive into new topics, share practical tips, and walk you through real-world scenarios to help you protect yourself and others. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced professional, our content is tailored to meet your needs and enhance your skills. So if you're ready to join the ranks and become part of the EHackerArmy, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. By subscribing, you'll get exclusive access to our latest tutorials, tips, and tricks. Together, we'll build a safer digital future, one hack-proof system at a time. Stay ahead of cyber threats, learn from the best, and be part of a community that values security and innovation. Don't miss out on the journey to becoming a cybersecurity expert. Welcome to the Army, Recruit. Let's hack cybersecurity learning together.